Hi class, how you doing today? Next assignment is about using your eraser. I can never say that right. Anyway, it's about erasing. You know, we typically think of drawing as being about adding things, but it's just as much about taking away things. When you erase something, you create a mark that's different than the pencil, but it's still a mark. And it's important to understand that, how that works in your drawing. So for this, I don't want you to use your black pencil, the fat one. I don't know where mine is. What I want you to do is get out your little kit here that I had you get of different kinds of pencils, and you'll notice, I just want to talk 2 seconds about the pencils. You'll notice that they're from 2H to 8B, okay? So that's, for those of you who don't know what that means, is that's a designation of the relative hardness and softness of the different pencils that are contained in this kit. So 2H being the hardest, the number, as the number gets higher, with the H, that means it gets harder. You can get pencils that are 8H too, 6H. But for this kit, it's a 2H. Then there's an H, and I don't know, and F. I have no idea F. You Google it. HB, kind of like hard and soft, whatever. And it goes all the way to 8B. 8B being a very soft pencil. Why hard pencils have H for hard and soft pencils have B for soft, I don't know. Just another thing to Google if it bothers you. It never kept me up at night, so I don't care. Anyway, it comes in this nice little tin. If I can get the thing open. Okay. And they're organized. Another little pro tip to get them out, just push down here gently and they'll pop up and then you can grab it. Okay, so you don't have to kind of fumble along. What I'd like you to do is get your softest pencil, which, like I said, is the 8, and these are not in order. Can't they do anything anymore? I'm looking for the 8B. There it is. Get your 8B pencil. 8B. 8B. Is that 8B or looks like BB? But it's 8B. Yeah. Okay. Get your 8B pencil. And you're also going to need your pencil sharpener, which I can't see. I don't know where my pencil sharpener is. So locate yours, because you need to keep your pencil sharp. Because your soft pencil will need to be sharpened a lot because it's softer. So a soft lead makes a deeper, richer, darker mark. A harder lead makes a lighter, softer mark. And this is really important to understand because I think when you learn how to, like, kind of typically when you're drawing out there, in your previous experience, you probably just used a single pencil, like a 2H or something like that for your drawing. To make the mark darker, you'd press harder. To make it lighter, you'd press lighter. Well, you can also do that same thing by using different hardnesses of pencils or softnesses. So that's softnesses. So that's something to understand about pencil and something. So like when I draw right now, I'm always switching between like a 6H and a 6B and an F, and just kind of using the whole range of pencils for my drawings. So this assignment is called Erasure, and you're going to be using your eraser to erase your name. So what I'd like you to do is, and I'll demonstrate this here quickly. Now, one other thing about my demonstrations that I want to emphasize, this is really important. I do my demos quickly so that, and I have to because I don't want these videos to be like 20 minutes long or 3 hours long. They're meant for illustrational purposes only. It doesn't mean that you do the drawing as quickly as I do. So you should be spending more time on these, developing them further, not just replicating what I'm doing. So my little exercises, my demos are only for demonstration. You want to develop these ideas further. So you're going to be using your 18 by 24 paper, soft pencil, and start writing your name in cursive. And keep repeating it. Rotate the paper. Change the scale. Mess with the line weight. kind of forgetting how to do my name. I'll print it. You can even print it. The idea is to create a whole series of lines, create a composition involving your name written in cursive. And I'll do the next step in a few minutes once I find my pencil sharpener and my eraser.